What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get and use an Axiom Trade Pro referral code or an invite code. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up the Axiom sign up page, you would just need to tap on start trading right here, and here you would just need to delete this code. Now, if you take a look at the description below, you would be able to see a sign-up link and an invite code that will give you 10% lifetime trading fee discounts if you use that code below. So the code is guide10, and then you would just need to enter the email that you want to use and click on sign up right here. Now this code will give you 10% discounts on any trades that you make, and it's global, so it doesn't matter from which country you're based in. Now once you signed up, this will be your Axiom Pro homepage, and the 10% discount will be applied to your account. So essentially that's guys how you can use a invite code on the Axiom Trade Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.